So I want to know if you will be part of my passion project, and my passion project will actually help you start your own passion project. And so if things look a little crazy here in this room, it's because my life has been up in arms. And so if you follow my story, this video is not hitting you by accident. I'm sending you this video. I'm inviting you to be part of my passion project. Either we've talked, or you've joined my email list, or you're one of my followers or fans. And so I couldn't just make this one video and send it to each person, or make a video for each person. So I'm making this like summary version. So if you've ever wanted to start a business or a side hustle or extra income, I'm teaching you one, kind of like how I did it. I used to do a course on how I did it, but it's really not an efficient way if you want to be an RV entrepreneur, if you want to have multiple streams of income, if you want to create, and I've done an app, a book, a course. I've sold my products and services. I've sold other people's products and services. But you don't have to have anything. You can do merchandise. There's all kinds of things that you can sell. So what I wanted to tell you is I've created this page. If you go to RVingforbosses.com, if you're not already on that page, because I'm going to put this video on that page. But if you're wondering how to become an RV entrepreneur, start your own business, you can run from anywhere, you don't need a business idea, I've got you, no problem. I'm going to show you literally like how to brand yourself and turn yourself into a business. And then you can also sell your own products and services or other people's. And I'm going to show you like how I get people coming to me and saying like, hey, will you do a product review, and I'll send you free products. And so there's money involved in this. Speaking of which, so you don't need an idea. I'm going to give you like a roadmap, okay, an action plan and everything, and you don't need to be worried about like all the what ifs. And I'm looking like at the page that I'm talking about right now. So this is kind of unscripted, but I wanted to show you like what you can expect in this course. And it's from like getting organized like a boss, branding like a boss, doing your social media, your website, your email, everything. So people always ask me, hey, like, how do you start this business thing? How did you start your side hustle? And so this is really the mini dumbed down version, which is jam packed, and I actually feel is kind of like undervalued. So I thought about joining this wait list and all of that, and filling out applications. And so I kind of already do that with my larger course, but I really wanted something that was affordable and for multiple people, because I do have a wide range of people that follow me that I feel that you could really do something bigger with your life and your passion, your skills. So whether you want to sell your artwork or you want to sell a digital product, I personally love digital products, but I know in my RV, I sold personal products, or like physical products at one point. So by physical products, I mean like, you know, like a pen or something. I didn't sell this pen, but that's what I'm talking about. So digital products would be like a course, but it doesn't have to be your own. I'm going to show you how to do all of that. So here's the deal. Whether it's a side hustle, a second income, an extra income, this is what I'm going to call like RVing for bosses. And I have pitched this to some of my students and gone through this with them. And so this is also unscripted. That's how much I love you that I'm doing this just unscripted. So there's a start date on this of September 1st, but I'm trying to get you in the doors, get your application, get the information from you about like what kind of business you're trying to start, so that I can make sure that one, you're in the right place, and two, also that the content that I'm giving you is what you need. Okay, so I've already created either 21 days or 5 weeks or 1 month that you can do this in. And so that's why we're starting it on September 1st, because I'm traveling, I'm doing all this new RV stuff right now. And so I want to give you my undivided attention. So on September 1st, this is launching. And I'm going to have I'm looking for at least 5 people that are really serious and you want my undivided attention about like, how do I start my business? Looking at your business, your website, your social media pages, giving you feedback, all of that. That's involved. So I have start date of September 1st. You're going to have bonuses like email access, a Facebook group, phone calls, and things like that. I'd really like to do like a phone call with everybody that's joining. At least if I can get those 5 people in this to jump on a call before this, if it all works out, and say like, hey, this is what I'm really trying to do after I can like read through your application. So you're going to sign up, put your payment in, you're going to fill out the application questions that I haven't even done yet, but by the time you watch this video, they'll be done. So those are on there, and then I'm going to be able to read through those, and then we'll book a time to chat, and this will all be done before September 1st. But September 1st is when I'm going to open the doors, and you're going to join I'm going to have the Facebook group and everything else that you need. So that you're going to have even more bonuses, because I told you, you're going to really have unlimited support. I've made this really pretty page. So you're going to have one-on-one time with me, group time with me. And this will be changing eventually, you know, once I like open the doors to everyone on this. But right now, I really want to just get people in this and then close the doors to this on September 1st. So I plan on closing the doors. If this gets full, I might have to close the doors before, but at least by September 1st, I'm probably going to close the doors. We're going to go through this with at least the 5 people that are going to join, and then I'll reopen this eventually. And here's why this is really important, because you're going to get free marketing from me. Okay, so I want to hear your testimonials and your feedback. Your feedback helps me with my course. Your testimonial, you'll get free marketing on my page. Okay, so I'll say, oh my gosh, go look at my student who created their business and did all this from my passion project, RVing for Bosses. And that gives you free marketing because people go and look at you, and so it's a win for me and a win for you. And so what that also works out for is if you tell people about the course, once I reopen the doors, then I will give you referral income. So we'll do like a referral program. That's my plans. So you can get paid off this as well. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited. And I'm really looking for some really serious people to join. This is kind of, like I said, unscripted. It's going to be the whole month of September. You're going to have a business plan from start to finish. You're going to have my support. You're going to have a group of other people that are going through this, because I have a ton of people that have asked me about this, and so I'm doing it. Okay, I may not ever do it again. I don't know, but I want to know how serious you are, and at least you can get my feedback and have unlimited kind of like access to me for the month of September, and we'll at least launch your business. You'll have a plan. You'll get my tools and resources and all of the fun stuff. So you're going to have video tutorials for me. You're going to have a checklist, cheat sheets, downloads. You're going to have phone calls, emails, my Facebook group support. It's going to be a whole big, loving family of RV entrepreneurs. So multiple streams of income that you can run from anywhere. You could sell a physical or digital product, but I'm going to give you the platform to like do it all and show you how I do it, how I market myself. It could be your dog, your cat, yourself, like whatever you want. Okay, so I'm excited about this, and I can't wait for you to join. So I will see you on the other side. Once you join, you'll fill out an application. Once you join, you'll submit your payment, fill out an application, and then I will get with you about scheduling a time to chat. So this is all in the works, but I'm super excited. This is in beta, and I'm ready to get your passion project started. I'll see you on the inside. Love you.